Hi everyone, I'm Susanna and I'm a product owner at Pessler for the PRTG sensors team. And today I'm going to talk to you about Redfish. So what is Redfish? Redfish is a specification which allows you to manage your IT and data center equipment remotely in a simple and secure way. It basically defines all the data models, the behaviors, the architectural components, and everything you need to manage your equipment remotely and independently from any vendor, as long as, of course, the vendor supports the necessary requirements. And although in the beginning, the focus was mainly servers, but now the focus has been extended to also include most data center equipment and also in and out of band access. Redfish is also REST-based. That means that it's easier to use as opposed to its predecessor IPMI. And it's also easier to work with, to understand, and to read from another human being. There are many vendors that use Redfish, for example, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Supermicro, and many more. And in order for you to be able to monitor your Redfish-based equipment through your monitoring system PRTG, we have implemented some sensors for you. And today, I'm going to show you the Redfish Power Supply sensor. The Redfish Power Supply sensor is used to monitor the performance metrics of your power supplies in your system. So here I have a device for Redfish. In PRTG, here you see I have added a device called Redfish. And if I go to the device settings, you can see that I have set a DNS name. And I have also set, if you scroll down, you go to the section credentials for Redfish, and there you can set the credentials of your system. And you need to set a username, you need to set your password, you need to also select which protocol to use, and port, the default is 443, and if you need to change it, you can change it. So if we now go back to the device, and now I will add the sensor. So I go to add sensor, I click on Redfish, and I select my power supply sensor. There you get a list of all the power supplies in your system, and you can select the ones you want. For each one you select, a new sensor will be created. So now I click on, I will select all of them and go into create. And there you see there are 2 new sensors created. So I will just go into the first one. So here's the sensor, and you can see information about your input voltage, your input watts, output load, output watts, power efficiency, power supply status. If you go into the sensor settings, you will see information with regards to your power supply, and you can always refer back to it if you need it. And if we go back into overview, here, if the status of the power supply changes from OK to warning or to error, for example, you get informed. You can always set any limit you want to the other channel so that you can get informed when your thresholds that you see fit have been crossed. We have set some default limits for the output load. So there you can see that if it's over 90%, then you will get a warning, and if it's over 99%, you will get an error. But these can always be changed manually if you see fit. So yes, that's how you're going to use our power supply sensor to monitor your power supplies of your Redfish-based system. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support at support@pessler.com. If you want to stay updated with our upcoming video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.